So this is like a live site. It's not just a design. It is a fully working site built and hosted on Replit. And we started with a design file. Now you could have your developer, like if you do have a developer, like they can go in here and they can edit the code just like any other website and make all the changes that you need to make. Or you could go down here and literally just tell it, hey, I want to make it from black to white, or I want to change the buttons from green to orange, or whatever changes that you want to make. And while we wait for this to build, any questions?
So Replit is actually hosting these sites now as well.
100%. So if you go to this site right here, which this is actually performing better than the one we built in-house in Lander Lab. This right here, Final Expense V2 of saveonmyquote.com. This was designed, implemented, and hosted, and is currently hosted on Replit front to back.
That's amazing. That's such a smart move that they're hosting it as well. And that looks great.
Yep.
Yeah, I agree. So much easier than transferring it to an existing platform.
Yeah.
All right. So now we can see our site that's kind of come together here. Unforgettable journey, seamlessly planned. We handle every detail so you can live every moment, specializing in curated travel to Miami, Orlando, Mexico, and Latin America. You can see that it has built the entire landing page, including the images, which are actually pretty accurate. Orlando looks right. Mexico, Latin America, Miami. The journey, like everything is completely built here on the landing page.